How to make a fading gradient transparent effect in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to the Move tool in the Tools panel of Photoshop, select the layer, then go to the Layers panel. You can find that in Window menu and Layers. With that layer selected, go down to the bottom and third item there, add a layer mask. A mask will appear. It will be white by default. Make certain it's selected. You can see the selection around here. Do not select this. Go to the Gradient tool. You can find that in the Tools panel in Photoshop. Go to the control bar and click here to edit the gradient. What you want is black to white. So click there and you can see a black to white there. There's of course a couple there as well. Click that one. However, if you go down here, the stops, they will not be perfect. Click there, click the color and make certain this is black. 0, 0 and 0. That's what's needed. Click OK. Go over here, make certain that is white. So click there and you can see 255, 255 and 255. Click OK. And click OK. Go for linear, blending mode normal, reverse turned off, transparent on and classic. Click the bottom of the document and drag upwards. Hold down the shift and release. You can apply it from anywhere, so click here and drag upwards and release. Each and every time you can see the mask will change. Black to white, faded to solid. Click here and drag upwards, faded and solid. You can go the other direction as well, fade, or go from left to right, right to left, and so on. You can also create very sharp division by simply clicking the document, just dragging very, very slightly and releasing. To duplicate the layer and mask, hold down the Alt or Option key on the keyboard and drag and release. Go to the layer and the mask, click there and go to the Gradient tool and apply the gradient. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much.